The past 7 years have not been easy, beginning from the time God blessed me with the gift of the Bicol University presidency. It was filled with transitions and transformations due to the effects of K-12, SUC leveling, Industry 4.0, changing higher education landscape, natural calamities like typhoons and volcanic eruptions, among others. All of these, my dear BUenos, amounted to radical changes in the delivery of our threefold mandate along instruction, research, and extension, which many of us found uncomfortable. These events, especially the pandemic, have tested our resiliency and our resolve to overcome all adversities. If there is one important lesson that I learned from the travails of my presidency, it is the necessity of future-proofing Bicol University in order to minimize the costs and impacts of shocks of future events. At the outset, our vision of turning Bicol University into a world-class institution was met with skepticism. But instead of allowing these criticisms and veiled rejections to dampen my spirit, I chose to surround myself with people who share my seemingly quixotic vision, enabling me to forge ahead and overcome the various transitions from K-12 to COVID-19 pandemic. My dear graduates and my BU family, I may not be around anymore as your president when all these technological innovations become operational. But it is a legacy that our faculty members and future students will enjoy for many years to come.
Love wide as galaxies, love deeper than the sea, countless is all infinity. Love like a shooting star, tearing apart the dark, shining for all eternity. Shining for all eternity. You will never run away, you're forever mine. You will
Our 52nd commencement speaker, the 8th University President of Bicol University, born on February 12, 1961, was formed and transformed by circumstances and people who were providentially placed in his path.
love stronger than the grave, love rolled the stone away, rising with endless majesty. Love
Thank
takes
you very much, Ami, for that very lengthy introduction. I think if ABS-CBN would hear your introduction, baka sa aga, maging artista na ako.
You will never run away, you're forever mine. You will never run away, you're by my side. You will never run away, you forever shine. You will never run away, you're by my side. Yeah!
As I leave Bicol University, I will carry with me all the meaningful moments and shared memories of 8 significant and very productive years of my life. And I assure you, my dear graduates, my Bicol University family, that I will live with an enlightened mind, a happy and contented heart, and a soul forever burning with passion for service, for social transformation and development.
You will never run away, you're forever mine. You will never run away, you're by my side. You will never run away, you forever shine. You will never run away, you are by my side. Come on!
As Eleanor Roosevelt so aptly said, and I quote, "Do what you can with what you have where you are." My dear graduates, go where you are celebrated. Go where your ideas will bear fruit. Go where you can serve better, but never abandon those who reject you or have a different path than you have. Build a better world for all and include them all in your vision of a better future beyond what we have now.
The Bicol University takes the honor and pride to impose upon you this alampay, the ultimate symbol of the respective degrees you have completed. Wear it with dignity, live up to its expectations, and let it remain pure and untarnished. It is a covenant that you will bind you to your alma mater, the Bicol University. May this ever be your guide in the exercise of your profession with dignity, prudence, and justice.
My dear graduates, both of us at a certain crossroad in our lives. As you leave Bicol University, you begin another journey towards becoming the change agents and catalysts for social transformation and development that we envision of. Stay the course and be the embodiment of a resilient person with the mind of a scholar and the heart of a servant. Class of 2022, please keep in your heart this simple truth. Whenever adversity, trials, tribulations, and periods of uncertainty come, let us focus on finding ways to lessen each other's burdens and find ways of understanding each other's concerns while searching for ways to make every minute of trials and adversity count. By virtue of the powers vested in me by the Board of Regents, I hereby confirm you, Batch 2022, graduates of the respective degrees you've completed with all the rights and privileges thereto appertaining. Congratulations! I had many opportunities working in other places and with other institutions, but only Bicol University has captured my heart. A lifetime of thanks to you, my Bicol University family, maraming salamat. Diyos ang magbalos sa inyong kabos.